Today we're installing a Borla S-Type on the brand new 2026 Chevy Silverado. It's got the 5.3, does not have the 6.2, but it's still a V8 though. So we're slapping the best system on the market. In my personal preference, Borla is the best system on the market, especially for American trucks. So if you got a Silverado, Dodge Ram, F-150, preferably with the V8s, definitely recommend the Borla system. It's by far the best sounding, the best performing, and they have the best tip option. Now they're offering carbon fiber, stainless, and shiny black, which is pretty sweet. This, like I said, is 5.3 V8 with the HDMI tips in the back. This is a 4x4, and I meant HDMIs because they look like damn HDMIs. We're upgrading those today to carbon fiber Borla tips. They're gonna look pretty damn sweet. The stock system's completely out the door. Yeah, we're gonna slap this thing up. We're gonna teach you how to install a Borla exhaust on your Chevy Silverado. I'm gonna crank it up, rev it a few times, show you how shitty this thing sounds from factory, and then you guys tell me how much better the S-Type sounds like on this 5.3 Chevy Silverado. I'm gonna show you guys the stock setup. This thing does come with these HDMI tips. We're taking those out, upgrading it to the Borla S-Type carbon fibers. 2 pipes all the way in the back. I don't know why there's a bunch of vents from factory. There's only 1 on this side, 3 on that side. A little mesh vents, little cheese strainers. Stock muffler with the sticker still on it over the axle pipes, 2.5 inch. Then this weird ass spring valve we're getting rid of. And then stock hangers, flex pipe to the factory cats. So, like I said, we're upgrading it. We're upgrading it from here back. It is a cat back system. It does come full Borla stainless steel, the 3.5 inch midsection, and new carbon fiber tips with a Borla S-Type resonator, Borla S-Type muffler, and big piping, baby. So we unboxed the Borla system. Like I said, sweet ass carbon fiber tips. The things look awesome. It's gonna really look nice out the back of that truck. The truck is a black on black, so I do recommend going with the carbon fiber tips. It is a little pricier, but worth it in my opinion, because it's the only thing out of the exhaust that you see. Everything continues, comes with a Borla hat, the valve bracket, the stainless steel piping, like I said, 3.5 inch midsection, and Borla S-Type resonator, and then a Borla S-Type muffler. Thing is huge. So I guess they make this for the 6.2 as well. They do have 2 different versions, one for the 5.3, one for the 6.2. We decided to go for the 6.2 setup just because it's beefier. Might supercharge this baby in the future. You know, my mom drives the truck all the time, so she might need a supercharger, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bag of clamps, and we got Gio taking out the factory HDMIs. We're gonna put those on the roof for later, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, let's pop this Borla on. That was it, Borla S-Type with the carbon fiber tips. Listen to that idle, man. Sounds like a cammed out V8 LS350. I'm just joking, the LS350 is 2 different Chevy engines. Carbon fiber tips, looking sweet. You got the break-in smoke going on right now. Thing sounds amazing. 0 drone, just took it for a test drive, 0 drone. It's crazy, all that sound outside, no sound inside. Anti-drone technology. Let's see AI replace that shit. It's not happening. Shout out to Borla, hooking us up with a Borla S-Type. Perfect fit, highly recommend it. If you got one in your garage, highly recommend this Borla system. I think it's the best setup. Like I said, my mom will be driving this truck, but she won't even notice until she hits it, and then she'll be like, oh shit, V8 baby. So yeah, like I said, full stainless steel, 3.5-inch midsection, 2.5-inch tailpipes, carbon fiber tips, no drone, all sound outside, no sound inside. Brand new 2026 0-mile Chevy Silverado with a 5.3. Shout out to Borla for hooking us up with a system. We really appreciate you guys. If you guys got any questions about Borla systems, hit us up, gexhaust.com, you know, Instagram, stuff like that. If you got a Borla, make sure you tag them. They will repost you guys. And you know, if you're looking for Borla systems on your Corvette, on your Silverado, on your Mustang, hit us up. We got the best deals and professional installs, the best installs of all the land. So shout out to G Exhaust, shout out to Borla especially for hooking it up once again. And thank you guys.